Hello everyone. In one of our previous video, we shared about how you can use the pre-run script feature of KushoAI. So in this video, we will take a step further exploring advanced pre-run script feature that unlocks powerful capabilities for dynamic request manipulation, conditional script execution, and test automation. So you can do testing scenarios like HMAC signature computation, dynamic authentication with this as well. So and that too directly within your test workflow. So let's get started on that. So before getting started, let me just share a quick summary on pre-run script for those who haven't watched our previous video. So pre-run script, you can use it to do any setups like operation before running your test suite. For example, fetching auth tokens from auth server, which will be used in your subsequent test. So first I will click on, I have selected a test suite for me. So I will click on pre-run script button over here. And as you can see, you will be visited by this window. So to use the advanced feature, you have to click on this toggle right over here, and you have to give a sample request for your API. That is for testing. So it will be so it is used to execute before every individual test case, receive specific test case request body or object, and it is ideal for request specific modification like signatures. So first, to provide that sample, I will just go over to a request body and click on pre-run script over here and just delete it, copy it over here. And now I have in this window, I have to give the pre-run script or the syntax or the code for, like, for example, like HMAC if I'm using. So I have this ready as well. So I will copy paste it over here. So basically what this code is doing, let me show you. Yeah. So it is just going to call your HMAC API. So you have to give like a method, the URL of your API, the data request. So your logic, you have to give your own logic here for your, for example, like HMAC, and yes, and these ones over here, so like these are used to modify the request and add HMAC to the header, and also request body. It is also editable as well, and yeah, you can change header body and set HMAC as you receive. So I will click on save script, and I will click on run. And yeah, there you go. So this is how you can use the advanced feature in pre-run script, and I will be also tagging the our pre-run script video in the description and also the documentation, so you can explore more about the features of our pre-run script. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.